I'm good. I am in the kitchen right now. I want to show you what I'm cooking today for myself. Let's look. It is rice soup. Here. I add the celery and 2 eggs. And also seasoning with Goya, easy, and garlic minced. I'm not sure how to pronounce this one. Minced. It's almost done. I want the rice very soft because I start cooking from raw rice. If I cook the rice first in rice cooker and then make the rice soup, the rice will be very easy to soft. Okay. And one more thing. I added the leftover chicken. I normally keep the leftover food and eat until they are gone to my stomach. But this chicken is too many, cannot eat all in one meal. It's leftover 2 days ago and in the freeze, and this morning I eat and still have some leftover, then I added in my rice soup. Okay, it will be done very soon. Yummy. For Mr. I make him a big pizza. I didn't make today, I just bought from BJ's and added the I forget what it's called, pepperoni on the top because he likes pepperoni. Okay, wait, he will get home shortly and then we will enjoy our dinner. Bye for today. Thank you.